A caregiver should consider hospice care for their loved one for a variety of reasons. The first one is the great support that can be provided through a hospice program. For individuals who their doctor has determined treatment is no longer an option, maybe they require more help with bathing, medication assistance, just they don't want to go back to the hospital. They're saying all the things that give off cues that somebody's eligible for hospice. There are patients who are being followed by home care. For example, maybe they've come to us with congestive heart failure or an end-stage anything disease. For example, end-stage lung disease like emphysema, chronic obstructive lung disease, maybe end-stage liver failure. And they may have just come out of the hospital, maybe nobody has explained hospice to them or told them what their care options are. So if they're saying things like, I don't want to go back to the hospital, I really would like just to have my symptoms managed for whatever time I have, it's very appropriate for that individual to transition from home care into hospice. It's always an individual's right to stay under home care. But there comes a point in home care, it's skilled, and there has to be an end point to home care. By staying in home care, they might have to be discharged at some point. They can stay in hospice as long as they need to, as long as they meet the criteria and the care is needed. So there is no endpoint for discharge. Once the patient and family tell us that they're very interested in the hospice program, they like the philosophy, we contact their physician, make their wishes known, and obtain an order to admit that person into their hospice benefit. And it's very simple. We try and do same-day admissions to make sure that people's symptoms are managed and get the ball rolling with that as soon as we can.